How to report videos on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually report a video on YouTube, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to report videos on YouTube for any type of behaviors, first of all just go ahead and launch the YouTube app. Once you launch the YouTube app, just play a specific video that you would like to report over here, right? So just go ahead and select the video like this. All you need to do is just tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of this video like this, and then right over here you'll find a section called report. So just tap the report button here. Once you tap on report here, it'll ask you for a reason as to why you are reporting this video. Select a reason. Now I personally don't have anything against this video, so I'm not going to do it. But if you do have, you can select your reason, tap on the report button. YouTube is going to verify that and then actually see whether it's eligible or whether they can take any actions against it. And this is simply how you can report videos on YouTube. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.